dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Hello, family. Welcome. Today, I thought we would dive into the vibrant and historic Maroon celebrations in Jamaica. The first clip we will be looking at shows a powerful cultural tradition, and the second one is a pulsating drum beat, and we will see how this unique community keeps the spirit of freedom and resilience alive. Let's get started. Anyone who knows what the chant is saying or what it means, please go ahead and put it in the comment section for me. Guys, check out this second clip.
So here we are now speaking the Queen's English. When we're supposed to talk about that's our language. I don't know what I said. But that's how it is, and I give thanks just for the listening ears. So our first tune will be Give Me Back the Language and Culture.
Fever Rasta go a riverside. Sarah say a while a fireside. Fever Rasta go a riverside. Sarah say we can a while a fireside. Give me back me language and me culture. 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 Fever Rasta go a riverside. Sarah say a while a fireside. Fever Rasta go a riverside. Sarah say we got a while a fireside. Give me back me language and me culture. 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 Them push it come from Africa. My forefather he was a Rasta. They say he was a Rasta. And now they have been pushing to university. Give me back me language and me culture.
Guys, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, ciao!